Now to health care, and more friendly persuasion today from the president to sometimes reluctant conservatives over a plan that many of them want no part of. All this comes as lawmakers on both sides anxiously await an announcement about just how much the legislation might cost. Chief Congressional Correspondent Mike Emanuel is on Capitol Hill again tonight.
In a meeting with 5 House chairs, President Trump praised the Republican health care package advancing in 2 committees. And the president noted the plan would accomplish some key conservative priorities.
It provides states with flexibility over how Medicaid dollars are spent, giving power from Washington and back to local government, which we all want to see. They're going to do a much better job. And the plan empowers individual Americans to buy the health insurance that is right for them, not the plan forced on them by government.
After that meeting, the Ways and Means chairman said by repealing taxes and government mandates, those are GOP victories.
And if you hear nothing else I say today, this is the most important one. There is so much more that unites Republicans than divides Republicans on this issue.
Democrats are demonizing the plan.
It's a job killer. Hospitals will close. Jobs will be lost in addition to the access to care that is there. The Methodists have said people will die because of this bill. People will die.
Earlier, the House Majority Leader was asked about some of the criticism from the right and left, and he tried to sell it as a positive.
Sometimes when you have pushback on one side and the other side from a political spectrum, you might have found the sweet spot.
But House conservatives like Dave Bratt of Virginia and Jim Jordan from Ohio have floated blowing up the Senate rules to completely remove Obamacare with one bill.
I'm for doing what needs to be done to make sure that the Affordable Care Act, Obamacare, is completely repealed and replaced with something that is actually going to bring down costs for the families that I represent, and that we all campaigned on that simple message, that basic message, and that's what they sent us here to do.
Although the chairman of House Energy and Commerce says making it more conservative, such as cutting the Medicaid expansion sooner, would lose moderate support.
Half the Republicans are in states that expanded, half the Republicans are in states that didn't. This is tough work to get to. I think in our committee we got there.
As leadership types are working to round up votes, one item that could make a difference could come as soon as Monday when the Congressional Budget Office weighs in on the cost and impact of this plan. Brett? Mike Emanuel live on the Hill. Mike, thank you.